Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a newly renovated 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, self-contained apartment for rent within the tourist area of Discovery Bay, St. Anne. The unit is on the ground floor and easily accessible, located in a quiet neighborhood known as Bridgewater Garden, and only minutes away from the Puerto Seco beach and other major attractions and recreations that St. Anne has to offer. Make your offer today and make this apartment your new home. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this apartment is US $500 per month. To rent, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.